want to show you the before and after on this panel when we clean it. You don't realize how dirty these are until you clean it. And we'll go ahead and clean this section over here and wipe it off, and then I can show you the difference. It's quite amazing. I'm using a very soft round brush here. You want a soft bristle brush that will get into those little perforations but not scratch the vinyl. And then I'm using my favorite, Dawn heavy duty degreaser to clean this vinyl. This is an amazing product. If your sunroof headliner panel is not that dirty, you could dilute that Dawn maybe 50-50 with water. But you want to let it sit, keep working it, let it do its job itself. Do not over scrub. We'll get this section cleaned off and then come back and I'll show you the difference. Once you scrub it, you can wipe it with a wet towel, and then we're drying it off here. So I can back up now and look at the difference. The only problem when you do this is you're going to have to end up going in and cleaning the rest of your headliner.